Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Crossroads. We're actually going on to Slipe Road now and heading towards the center of Crossroads, or where you have the Carib Theatre. So this is Slipe Road and we're heading towards Carib Theatre. Now Crossroads is geographically in the center of Kingston, and it's called Crossroads because that's where the major roads intersect each other in Kingston, basically. So they call it Crossroads because the roads literally cross over each other. Now it's a very busy place in Kingston, but Halfway Tree is the busiest place now. But Crossroads was once a very busy place because it was halfway between downtown Kingston and Halfway Tree. So on the right is a Scotia Bank, but I was recently informed that that branch actually closed. So it's just the ATMs on the outside now, and that's the Ncb Bank there on the right. On the left is the bus park, and we had passed Carib earlier on the left. So we're on Slipe Road. If we turn left, we go on to Halfway Tree Road. We're going straight on to Hope Road, and if we turn right here, we go on to Caledonia Avenue. Okay, so this is Hope Road now, and Hope Road will take us all the way up to, from Crossroads up to Ligani, where it intersects with, I'm so sorry, this is Old Hope Road, where it takes us from Crossroads all the way up to Papine, and it intersects with Hope Road in the Ligani area. Now Hope Road takes you from Halfway Tree to Ligani. Today is a Sunday, so that's why this place is not so busy. So straight ahead is the Azan Super Center. There used to be a movie theater over there once. I think it was Regal. But most of the movie theaters in Jamaica, they've closed down. Like the drive-ins, you had New Kingston Drive-In and you had Harborview Drive-In. They're all closed now. And you had Carib is still open. Regal closed. There was another one downtown. I think it was State. They've closed. I think it's mostly just the Palace Amusement ones that are open, which is, there's one in Sovereign, there's one in Portmore, there's Carib, and I think that's it in terms of movie theaters in the Kingston area. Okay, now this intersection is with, if we turn left, we're going to Oxford Road, and that takes us into New Kingston. Turn right, that takes us onto Tom Redcombe Road, and that takes us on to Camp Road and eventually into downtown Kingston. Now on the left here is the Ncb Towers. Actually there's no security there. Okay, we're going to turn around and take a quick tour of the towers, and we'll give you some history on the towers as we tour it. Okay, so basically there's two towers. This is the North Tower, which is the taller of the two, and the other tower beside it is the South Tower. Now these towers used to be owned by Mutual Security Bank, but Ncb took over Mutual Security, and now they're called the Ncb Towers. Now Ncb used to have a branch at the bottom of the North Tower called the Oxford branch, but that branch is now closed, and basically, okay, that one over there is the South Tower, so that means the shorter one over here is the North Tower. Okay, there are names on them. Now the South Tower has a very nice conference room, one of the nicest conference rooms you'll ever see. It has a huge mahogany desk in it, and that desk is so big it literally was built in the conference room. It can't be taken out the way it's so big. Okay, so this is where the Ncb branch used to be, on the ground floor over here, but they Ncb built a newer branch further up on Oxford Road, so the branch they close this branch and just operate the newer branch. Now these buildings, basically they're just rented to different companies. Now the South Tower has a helipad on top of it, and that was so when persons come in on a helicopter, they can land there. And the Ministry of National Security actually operates out of one of these towers. I think it's the North Tower. And the US Embassy used to operate out of the South Tower. I don't know if they still do, but now that I think about it, I don't know if, let's just leave. I don't know if we should be making videos. If the Ministry of National Security operates out of the building, I don't know if we should be making videos of the building. I don't know. Worse, the US Embassy, they are very strict. I can tell you a story that once somebody was taking pictures. I have a friend that's a photographer, and he was taking pictures of the building, and persons from at the time the US Embassy, not the US Embassy, some US government agencies had rented, basically, okay, let's just say US Embassy, but they had rented floors in the building, and I don't know if they came up to the photographer and asked him what he was doing, or they called the police, but somebody came up to him and said, you're not allowed to take pictures of this building, and for XYZ. Basically the reason was because those US government agencies were in the building. So I don't think they took away his camera, but he had to delete everything, or maybe it was back in the days before digital cameras, but basically they confiscated all the pictures, whatever, destroyed them, and he wasn't arrested or anything, but they told him he was not allowed to take pictures of the building. And ironic that I don't think there is any sign out there that says no photography. Maybe there is, and we didn't notice it, but I just remember that story while we were doing the video. But there was no sign that I saw that said no video or no pictures. And I don't know if they still work, if the foreign or the US government agencies still are still in the building, because the government built the embassy up in Ligoni, and I think that's where all the agencies would probably work from. I'm not sure who occupies those buildings now, but I know the Ministry of National Security works out of one of those buildings. They have offices, or they occupy some floors in one of those buildings. Alright, so we're back on Trafalgar Road now and heading towards New Kingston. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.